So now this video is being recorded.
Yeah,
So hello sir, good evening.
yeah. Good evening, same to you. So, what about you, sir?
Yeah, I'm doing well, fantastic sir. What about you?
Yeah, I'm doing great. Also fantastic. So, thanks for asking me.
Okay, that's great. So first of all, we know that we are meeting very first time.
Yeah,
So I want
right.
you to introduce yourself.
Okay, thank you very much for giving me this wonderful opportunity for giving me introduction. So, as you know already, my name is MD Rasul Sharkar. I am belong from Dhaka, Bangladesh. Presently I live in Dhaka also. I have completed a degree from Dhaka University, and I'm a service holder. I'm not a student. Uh, uh, I love to speak in English, and I want to be a fluent in English. So along with that, I have a small YouTube channel, and where I have put something conversation with you, a short of with you, and I'm learning, I'm growing, and actually that's all about me, about my introduction, very short, and I love to know about yourself also. Thank you very much, sir.
Wow, that's great. Really, sir, your introduction is very splendid. Okay, so now the ball is in my court. Yeah. So well, my name is Amri Israel. I am from Bihar, but I am connecting to you from Kuwait. My
Great,
hobbies are, yeah, Kuwait. My hobbies are listening to songs, watching movies, and traveling. Moreover, I run a YouTube channel where I upload English content. I believe that learning English is the foundation of success. That is why I have put my heart and soul into this language. Yeah, that's all about me. Thank you.
great.
Okay.
Yeah, it was outstanding introduction for me. Thank you very much.
Okay. So, may I know that how did you spend entire day?
How did I entire my day, right?
How did you spend? How did you spend
Okay,
your
okay,
day?
okay, okay. So, as a daily routine, actually, I'm a service holder. I am to do a job not every single day, 5 day in a week. I'm to go to office like nine to 4. So maybe as usual, what I do every single
Sorry
day,
for
like
sorry for interrupt you. Sorry for interrupt you. Sorry,
yeah.
I asked you in past. You have to tell me in past.
Okay, okay, okay. So I mean, what did I today, right? From getting after, right?
Hmm.
Okay, okay, okay. First of all, I got up early in the morning, like 5:30, 4:30. Then I clean up myself and I took ablution and I went to mosque for saying Fajr prayer. After saying Fajr prayer, I returned at my home, and I took a couple of I took time, and I took rest for a couple of minutes, and then I took exercise. I have some back pain in my body. That's why actually, according to doctor advice, so I am to take exercise every single day, and then I clean up. I took bath, and I have had breakfast, and then I got ready for going office, and then I went to office by the bus, official bus. Then when I entered the office, and I started my job, and I'm a job holder, so I have some work, so I am to do something, uh, and then I started my job, and before starting priority basis, I do my job. So before joining
Wow.
uh, my work, actually I had a cup of tea with my friend, with my office colleagues also, And then I when I get got time for breaking lunch, so I took lunch with my colleagues, and then I completed my rest of my work according to schedule. So then after breaking my office, I return at my home again, and I clean up myself. I put off my dress, and then I browse my mobile, and I joined conversation with two YouTuber like in there from Indian, and that's it what I did today. So and uh, oh, I forget to say when I got some time for break for lunch, like lunch, I listen motivational speech and conversation also. And na- now actually I got opportunity to join conversation with you. So now that's it from my side what I did today.
Wow, that's great, sir. That's great. You mentioned very well. You mentioned very well, sir. That's great. Okay. So, do you have any question to ask me?
Yeah, please. So I'm a beginner of learning English, so I want to be a fluent. So what is the best way for improving English journey? So do you have any idea? Please share me. I will be benefited from it.
Yeah, definitely. I would say that you are a beginner and you want to be a fluent into this language. For that, first of all, we have to start practice. Practice as much as you can. Read as much as you can and listen as much as you can. If you have a more time, then practice. Only
Yeah, right,
practice will make you perfect.
right,
And
right.
believe that when practice have made you perfect. Okay, so only practice. Okay, try to practice in front of mirror. Try to do shadowing practice. Okay, if you have
Right.
books, okay, then you read a book. Okay,
Yeah,
only
right,
practice
right.
and try to learn something. Uh, Tells age what is the present, what is the past, and what is the future. You must
Right.
know basic sentence
Yeah.
because you made some mistake when you were saying that your past activity. Hmm.
Right. Right.
So when you go to the past, then you have to use second form.
Yeah. Right.
Second form. I had a lunch. I went to the office. I came back from the office. Okay. I took a
Right.
bath. Okay. Take is base form and took is second form. So you must know basic sentence so that you can make better sentence. And when you make better sentence, you will not feel you don't feel hesitate while speaking English. So only sir practice. Okay, the more you practice, the more you will learn. When I
Yeah.
was a beginner, I worked hard. I practiced a lot. First, I learned grammar, as I told you. And
Yeah.
after learning grammar, I started having conversation with a stranger.
Yeah.
I had a fear, but I had courage to learn this language. Okay, but I learned. Hmm. So don't worry, you are a beginner. If you practice, you will be become today. You will become a good speaker one day. But practice every single day. Follow the consistency because consistency is the success of key.
Yeah,
Okay,
actually, every single day, actually, I have been learning since 2 months, maybe it will be 2 months.
I
So when
have
I,
been learning this language for last 2 months. You can say
uh, sorry,
I have been learning English for last 2 months.
okay, okay. So I have been learning since 2 months only, not 2 months. Maybe it will be 1.5 month. Yeah, I have been learning very hard from my side. So anyway, I'm trying. I'm trying to consistency. I am trying to maintain my consistency. Like, what
Mhm.
do you need? What are the needs for being a fluent?
Learning English. What is the need for learning English? As I told you, okay, tenses, learn tenses and practice speaking practice.
Yeah,
Mm.
right, right. Yeah, every single day I practice in English. Practice with someone, an YouTuber, learner, teacher also. And yeah, uh, and even also, if I don't get any slot of YouTuber or teacher also, that time actually I use AI like ChatGPT whenever I get a free time. So that time, yeah, I use the AI. So I ask the AI, and AI ChatGPT also
Okay,
um,
okay.
reply my question. So these two actually I practice, um, and also I listen motivational speech, and also I watch
Mhm.
conversation video also. I listen. So this way actually I practice. So apart from this, actually, what should I practice for learning English, please?
Nothing, sir, into this language. First, your grammar should be clear, basic grammar, and second, speak with a stranger. Okay,
Yeah.
like I am a stranger for you. Okay,
Okay.
so learn first basic grammar and speak with a stranger. After
Okay.
some time, after 3 months, 4 months, definitely you will realize that my English is good, and you will feel that.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So, sir, so do you get enough time for practicing for learning? Because you are a migrant as a
Hmm.
in Kuwait, so you have lots of work in your office also. So, do you have enough time for practicing every single day?
So to be honestly, I have even done work, even though I practice every single day because I have been enthusiastic learner. I
Yeah.
believe in myself. If I practice, then I will learn something. If I don't practice, then I will not learn anything. Okay.
Right.
So I have lots of work. Hmm.
I know.
But even though I practice, because I know the practice will make me perfect.
Yeah.
That is why I told you the practice will make you perfect. Nobody will make you perfect. The people only will guide you. Okay. The thing is
Yeah.
that you have to do all things. Okay, on your by yourself.
Sir, how did you motivate it, or where are you from motivated?
See, nobody motivated me. I motivated myself when I was beginner, and even okay, I motivate myself. Okay.
You don't follow any teacher or YouTuber or so
No,
or
I
sorry.
don't follow. To be honestly, I don't follow whatever I'm learning. I'm learning on the YouTube. I listen podcast. Okay, I stand in front of mirror and practice. Whenever I get a new vocabulary, then I write. I remember. Then I practice with a co-learner, and I
Yeah.
use peer app.
Yeah,
Okay.
I also use KPRF also.
Huh.
I've been
So now
using
you have
KPRF.
a better chance. Now you have a better chance. To
Yeah,
speak with a stranger.
yeah, yeah. Right, right.
uh, try to make a call every single day, one call, two call, like
Sure.
like this. Definitely you
Yeah,
can sir improve. Okay,
yeah,
there is
sure.
no any shortcut. There is no any shortcut.
Yeah,
Okay, there is no any shortcut. Okay,
yeah,
only practice, only practice.
yeah.
Hmm.
Right, right. So there are four pillar of learning English. So which one is like most like, or which one is very difficult for you?
There are four pillar LSRW:
Yeah,
listening, speaking, reading, and writing.
yeah.
I followed only two things:
Which one?
listening and speaking.
Speaking and listening, right?
Listening and speaking are very important, sir. Very, very
Yeah,
important. Because when you listen, it is input. When you speak, it is output.
yeah.
Okay?
Input out. Yeah, right.
Hmm. Output. You know?
Yeah, same way. Actually, I try. I'm trying also. I follow
You
this
listen, you
two pillar
listen,
of learning English.
listen half an hour and try to practice on video call and audio call no matter for half an hour. If you
Yeah,
do like this within a 6 months, you will speak English better.
yeah,
And
right,
I
right.
hope you will not make mistake.
Yeah,
Don't afraid of making mistake. Okay,
yeah,
don't afraid because everyone makes a mistake.
yeah,
So don't afraid, no
yeah.
problem, and don't feel hesitate when you speak in front of other. You try to be confident, no problem.
So,
You are
sir, why do you want to learn English? Because you are a migrant, you are doing something, and yeah, you are earning money. So you are a good at also. So why do you want to learn English more? Actually, is there any specialty or is there any purpose for learning English?
it is very fascinating question, sir.
Okay.
I want to learn this language to improve myself. I am
Yeah.
improving myself because learning English is very important nowadays. If I know English, okay, I can teach, I can work any company, I can change my occupation.
Yeah.
Do you
Right.
know?
Right. Yeah.
So
Right.
I want to become a teacher. Still, I am a teacher. I teach online. Okay.
Yeah.
So I want to become a good teacher to this language. That is why, sir, I am learning English and I want to see myself better in my future. I don't want to regret because I have time, and I am utilizing my time right way, and
Okay.
hope it will work for me.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right? Any other question do you have?
Yeah. Yeah. So, do you watch English video or movies every single day?
Movies I don't watch. Okay, but I watch English content every single day.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, when I
Yeah.
watch, I learn something, I write something, I remember something. That is why I am improving myself.
Who inspire you to learn English?
Hmm. No
Who
one,
inspire?
no one inspired me to learn this language. Okay, I inspired. Okay, myself. That you
What?
have to become better.
Okay.
I said
What?
myself.
Yeah.
I said myself, Israel, you have to learn this language. You have to change your way.
Yeah.
And I can say this language, okay, shaped my personality in a different way.
What's your goal in learning English?
Hmm. My goal when I started my learning this language, my goal, you know, have had to become a good master into this language.
Okay, great, great. So, a very good decision and very good idea for actually. I learned many things from you. So you are a very nice, cooperative, punctual. I think so. Keep practicing.
Anytime if you
Keep.
feel, anytime if you feel to
Yeah,
send message, please send message. I will help you. Don't worry. Okay.
yeah, yeah.
So
I will keep in touch with you. So, very nice to talk with you. Best of luck.
yeah,
All the best, sir.
thank you so much,
So
bro. Thank you so much
it's
for
pleasure. Yeah,
reaching.
it's pleasure to me.
Yeah, thank you so much for reaching out to us and
Yeah,
coming on my channel. Thank you so much. Okay,
yeah, yeah,
definitely
yeah,
will see you and see you again.
yeah.
Okay.
Sure, sure, sure. Thank
Yeah,
you very
sure.
much.
Okay, thank
Best
you
of
so
luck.
much.
All the best. Good evening.
Okay,